PMU trainer. As you're watching this video right now, students are stalking you. Stalk. Everywhere. No, they're stalking you. They're scrolling through your Instagram feed like, yeah, I'll save that, I guess. Oh, it's helpful. Save. So funny. Oh. Yeah, they're doing that. They're watching your stories, scrutinizing Google reviews, going through your website with a fine-tooth comb. And you are being put under a microscope. How much you charge for training? Like thousands. Yeah, you should be. They're going through everything before they can decide to give you their money in exchange for great education. So in this video, we're going to answer the question, do you pass the PMU trainer scrutiny checklist, the cyberstalking checklist? If you want more students, this video is for you. Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sheila Bella. I am the CEO of Pretty Rich Bosses, and I am the host of Pretty Rich Podcast, which you are watching right now. I help beauty entrepreneurs like you make more money in their salons, studios, and online. And this is why you should trust me, because I've helped hundreds, if not thousands of women scale their businesses to multiple 6 figures and 7 figures. And today, I'm giving you my absolutely must-have digital scrutiny checklist, specifically for permanent makeup trainers. Marketing is the process of getting people to like, know, and trust you enough so that they will ultimately enroll in your class. Have you ever been on a dating app? Or knows anybody who has one? I was scrolling through Kate's couple months ago. I learned a lot about her turn-ons, her turn-offs. Anyway, the point is, ask yourself, how many people do you immediately say no to based on their pictures, bio, their profile, without any conversation necessary? Immediately no, right? It'd be like that. Based on their pictures, bio, profile, no conversation necessary, immediately no. People have a choice with everything, including PMU trainers and dudes and dudettes, whatever you're into. By the end of this video, you will know what tweaks and adjustments that you need to make to your online presence so that you can pass the scrutiny of potential students so you can book out your trainings in person or online. To help you turn that immediately no to immediately, yeah, hello, it's a no-brainer. So we will be focusing on the big 3, the 3 social platforms that most potential students are hanging out in, which are Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. These are the main channels that students will use to get the scoop on you. Listen, if you're not on all of these channels, don't panic and make a bunch of new accounts. Optimize what you already are working with, then expand. With that said, it wouldn't be the worst idea in the world to get on TikTok right now. So let's start with Instagram. The 4 points under scrutiny on Instagram are profile pic, bio, feed, and stories. I mean, unless you have the sexiest, most interesting logo of all time and it is instantly recognizable, I want your profile photo to be a picture of your face, smiling, okay? Not snooty. Up close, personal, end of story. Because ultimately, it's about you and your personal brand. The point of your Instagram is for potential students to choose you as their mentor, not a logo. Bio. In your bio, you have to indicate who you serve and how. So for example, tips and training for PMU newbies in person and online. And to make it even juicier, dangle the carrot as long as you can deliver on it. For example, learn how to make more in 3 days than most people do in a month as a PMU artist. Damn, that's good.
Online courses saved my business, creating them. When I had to shut down my salon during quarantine, online coaching was what fed my family and kept a roof over our heads. Now I make anywhere between $300,000 to $400,000 a month. If you're a trainer or educator in the beauty industry, you need to get on this. I put together a free online course starter kit that will give you clarity on the first steps. To get it, all you have to do is click the link below.
Feed. Lean in. Closer. Closer. Okay, not that close. Okay. When it comes to your feed, let me give you the recipe. If you're going to be a trainer, you need your feed to be 70% educational. Learn from me content. And you have to do this in the form of tips, tricks, how-tos. 10% of your content should be social proof in the form of reviews, testimonial videos from previous students. Video testimonials, by the way, reign queen of content. So you better get on that. 10% storytelling. Introduce yourself as a trainer. Share your personal story as an artist, especially within the context of being a student and being a trainer. Wins and losses. I mean, that stuff's interesting. It's compelling. What are you, just a logo or are you a person? Tell your story. And finally, 10% offer. You gotta offer your class. Yeah, what do you just do? Tell stories all day? You gotta offer. Sell your course. Sell your trainings. But only 10%. Some people, their whole page is just offer, just buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. And so there's really no point in following them, right? So 10% offer. Include an offer with a call to action to send you a DM. Learn more about your training. So this CTA, this call to action, is your opportunity to get her on the phone and enroll her in your course. Now put the lime in the coconut and make the lava say, woo! Okay, Instagram stories now is where you nurture your community. You are not gonna get discovered by new followers here. Not on stories, not typically. So here, you share your personality, your opinions behind the scenes. It's kind of like your little reality show. Stories are the vessel to rack up massive like, know, and trust points. Pretend like you're FaceTiming with a friend. Moving on to the second platform, TikTok. The reachability of TikTok is unrivaled by any other platform, and all the other platforms are striving to keep up with the virability of TikTok. Instagram rolled out Reels. Facebook too, with the acquisition of Instagram. And YouTube brought out little shorts, but still, none can hold a candle to the TikTok algorithm, and you have 18 to 24 more months, max, from the day this video is posted to get a piece and ride that TikTok train to make it easy and get more eyeballs on TikTok. Take what you're already doing on Instagram Reels and contextualize them to TikTok. There is 1,000,001 video tutorials on the internet to teach you how to do this. So I'm not gonna go over it here. What I will tell you to do is repurpose the ish out of the video content you're already putting effort in. All of this content that you're creating as an educator, make it onto short form content and contextualize it specifically to TikTok. Last platform, the Facebook. My parents love Facebook. Did you greet your dad on Facebook? Did you make a post for his birthday on Facebook? You should make a post. But I called him anyway. It's so crazy. I was like, I thought you didn't care about it. They really care about it. If this is relatable, let me know in the comments. All right, the Facebook. Huh? Facebook. Everything you are posting to Instagram, push it to Facebook. Push it to Facebook. Easy. When it comes to your Facebook page, there are main elements that I want you to check on first though, okay? Trust things. Profile pic, banner, bio. Let's start with profile pic. I said this before, I'll say it again. Unless you have the sexiest, most interesting logo of all time, and it's so easily compelling and recognizable that it just gets people to call you and give you their money. No, I want this to be a profile photo of you smiling, up close, personal, likable, like, oh my God, like, I want people to see this picture and be like, she looks like the mentor of my dreams. That's her. That's her. It's not going to be a logo, you guys. It's not. Next up is banner. So I want you to create an engaging visual using the following elements. Again, your face, your brand colors, fonts, your website URL, somewhere where it's visible, because you want this banner to be clear about who you serve and what is the transformation that your class delivers. This goes back to your Instagram bio, the one that you made earlier, right? Clear and concise wins. Here's an example. Train with me. Learn how to make more in 3 days than most people do in a month as a PMU artist. I love this business, right? Can I get an amen? On the banner, include a CTA. Tap the blue send a message button below and reply PMU to get started. Easy, right? Lastly, your bio on Facebook. You have a bio there too. Your bio is more effective when it's concise and direct. Who do you serve and what is the transformation that you provide? Por ejemplo, my bio is, I went from 0 to 400K a month in brows, lashes, and online courses. I can show you how. Text me your business questions, 310-388-4588 at Pretty Rich Bosses. If your ideal client is someone who wants to quit corporate and go full-time into her beauty business because that's your story and the one that you resonate with, then your bio might be something like this. I quit corporate and went full-time in my PMU business, and now I earn more in 3 days than I used to in a whole month. And I can show you how. DM me PMU to get started. Easy, direct, to the point. Catch my drift? If you watch this video through to the end, I thank you. You are my people, and I truly appreciate you. I hope you found value in this message, and if it isn't too much trouble for you, please give this video a thumbs up. If you really want to blow my mind, leave me a comment. Like, tell me a little bit about yourself. And make sure you check out this video. If you just raised your prices and nobody's booking, here's what to do. And this video, if you don't know what to charge for your services. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.